Hello, Oliver Lepke here, connecting from Toronto, from my home office, and I'm on my 14-day going live on Facebook challenge. And today I have a special guest because I'm going to be talking about how to make sure to achieve something that you really want. I mean, if we want something really bad, I'm pretty sure there are lots of things we can do about it to achieve that, to reach that goal, to reach that thing, to get that thing, to become something we want. But today with this special guest, I'm going to make it so much easier. So I would like to invite my special guest, and I wonder if you can guess his name. Well, here's my special guest. Hi, can you say hi? Hello. This is Charlie. This is Charlie. Charlie is such a good boy. He's such a good boy, right, Charlie? Yeah, I know you like me. So anyhow, Charlie just wanted to say hello because he was here in my office while I started to record this video, so I wanted him to say hi. All right, now, how do you make sure that you achieve that little thing or that big thing in your life that you want, that you really want? How do you make sure that happens 100%? Well, I'm here to tell you that not almost, but there's nothing guaranteed. There's nothing 100% guaranteed in this world, and except for probably that we will all die one day. But that's kind of given, right? So, without going into any negativity, but that's just a fact, but everything else, nothing is 100% guaranteed. Now, for the remaining 99%, here's the good news. There are a few things, there are actually two things that you can do to make sure that happens. Now, I don't know about you, but probably most people have something that we want. And many people, they don't want it bad enough. Charlie, stop it. They don't want it bad enough that they invest all their time and money and energy to make sure that happens. But it's not really about money, it's really about mind power. And this is how it works. First, you need to think about it all the time. All the time. So the first thing when you wake up, that should be on your mind during the day. And then the last thing before you go to bed, that should be on your mind, is that thing that you want. Day in, day out. And then the second thing, and this is the most important thing, because you can think about it all day, every day, but if you don't do anything about it, nothing's going to happen. Things just don't fall on your plate like that. So we have to actually put the actions into it. We have to work. We have to work on a daily basis. And here is what matters. Whether this is that you want to play an instrument, whether you want to become a good player, basketball player, soccer player, tennis player, a guitar player, or anything that you want to become really good, this is what matters. What you do on a daily basis is what matters. So if you're really good at your work, whatever you do, your profession, you've been probably doing this for a long period of time, pretty much every day. So similarly, all these very good tennis players like Djokovic, like many others, they're doing this pretty much every day, right? So anything that you pick, as a really good piano player, they practice every day. So they really do this every day, any day, and all the time. So if you want to become something, or if you want to make sure that you want to get something that you really, really want, and to be honest, you can pick almost anything. So while you're picking, you may actually pick something that is big and really good and really important, something that you will enjoy and be happy with. And then you, as I mentioned, those two things. Number one, you think about it all the time, in the morning, first thing in the morning when you wake up, and last thing in the evening before you go to bed, and then you do things about it all the time, every day, and you will get that 199% guaranteed. So 1%, nothing is guaranteed, but with a little bit of luck and with God's help, that percent kicks in. So remaining 99%, it is completely up to us, and that's how you can achieve it. And you become obsessive about it. You become passionate about it. And there's nothing wrong to be obsessive about it or passionate about it, as long as it's ethical, and as long as it's legal, and as long as you love it, and as long as it helps you primarily and potentially helps other people. So I know that you probably know, or maybe you have something that you would like to achieve, whatever that is. If you think about it all the time, and if you work on it every day, then you will achieve it, guaranteed. If you don't have something that's on your mind that you just kind of really want bad, probably you know something. So if you think that this video is valuable, what I would like to do is ask you is to, if you know somebody, tag somebody in this video who should watch this video, or if you don't have anybody on your mind, then share it, and hopefully somebody will see it and get some value from it. Other than that, thank you so much for stopping by to watch my video, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.